the Koblentzer Rebbe, your friend and mine, here with another video. I'm taking a few minutes today to expand the campaign for the scholarship fund for Lander College for Men. That's my alma mater, where I spent quite a long time, probably of all the yeshivas that I attended. That's where I spent probably as much time as the other two together. I attended 3 yeshivas in my yeshiva career, Ezra Academy, for high school, Erech program at Or Sameach in Jerusalem, for my gap year, which was really part of my last part of high school, actually. And then college and my rabbinical ordination was at Lander College for Men, otherwise known as Beis Medrash Talmud, which is a division now of Touro University. Back then it was still Touro College. And they, if you have benefited in any way from this YouTube channel and from the Torah study that I've offered here over many, many years, close to 20 years now, a great deal of that you can give thanks to Lander College for Men. They actually gave me a full scholarship, totally free ride. I got what was called the Presidential Scholarship there at Touro, at Lander College, pretty early on in their history there. And they are an excellent institution in a wonderful neighborhood, which is certainly something that makes them more desirable in my mind than some other yeshiva colleges. So it definitely has it going for that, being in Kew Gardens Hills as opposed to some dangerous neighborhood in Manhattan. So we would love for you all to help out my alma mater, Lander College for Men. It's a place of Torah Uparnasa, very serious Torah learning, and a wonderful college education in a dormitory setting. Really has everything going for it in a great neighborhood. So please consider. It's in the link below in the description. I could possibly, I don't know how to, I put things in the chat, or I don't know how that works. Otherwise I'll put it in the chat, but it is in the description. charity.com/rooted/LCM alumni. So again, please just consider taking a few moments until tomorrow. Today is April 29th. So until tomorrow, our I think everything is quadrupled, any donation. So if you give $18, that is essentially giving $72. If you give $10, you're giving $40. If you give $25, you're giving $100. If you give $100, you're giving $400. You give $250, it's $1,000, because of triple matching funds, quadrupling the amount that you're giving. So I appreciate you helping me out as well on the super chat from Vermurstertung. I appreciate that. Also, we're campaigning today. You can see in the description, and you can watch the live stream again if you just tuned in to support Lander College for Men. Incidentally, the current dean of Lander College for Men is another popular YouTube, Dr. Henry Abramson, who's a fantastic scholar of Jewish history, who I would also recommend checking out his channel as well. And I don't know him personally. That was he came to Landers after my time. At my time, it was Rabbi Dr. Sokol was the dean, and he retired recently. He's a landsman of mine from Sullivan County, and so we have a lot of Hakara Satov. Yes, that's. God bless. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please, if you have a little bit of exchange, consider contributing. Again, the link is in the description for the current campaign. That's a triple campaign. All right. God bless you and be well.